In this video, I'll show you how to generate job alerts based on your profile on LinkedIn. Here we go. So just need to go to Jobs, and you can see there on the taskbar above, Job Alerts. So click on that. You can see any saved job alerts you may have run before, and then you can say ask for job recommendations. So just say yes to that. Click Done. And it'll suggest some job searches for you, which you can try, and based on your profile it'll come up with certain roles that are currently being advertised, how many days ago, what the methods to apply are, whether you can apply through LinkedIn straight away, and on they go. So that's how you do that. Job alerts on LinkedIn. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.